Good morning students, welcome back in our science online class. In previous video, we already have learned about the types of lever. So in that we have learned about the first class lever, second class lever and third class lever. Okay students? And we already have discussed what is meant by first class lever, second class lever and third class lever with their definition and examples. Now today we are going to discuss about this activity. Here is one activity for you. You have to read this activity and you have to take the answers like examples. Okay, this stapler is belongs to first class, second class or third class. Now see here what is the activity. First I will read materials needed: trowel, stapler, toothbrush, a pair of scissors, bottle opener, nut cracker and tweezers. So these are the examples, or we can call as the materials are there, and these materials you have to classify. Now steps: identify the load, fulcrum and effort in each. Now whatever the materials are given here, okay, so in these materials first you have to identify where the load is there, fulcrum is there and effort is there, and then you have to classify them as a first lever, second lever and third lever. Okay, so after identification of first, second, third lever, just in front of that example or material you can tick whether it is in first lever, second lever or third lever. Okay students, now first you can see these are the examples. So first we will see. Now first I will explain what is first class lever. Yes, anyone? First class lever means when the fulcrum is present between the load and effort. Second class lever means when the load is present between the fulcrum and effort. And third class lever means when effort present between the fulcrum and load. Okay students, so according to this you have to check once where the effort is there, fulcrum is there and load is there, and that according to that we can find out. Now see shovel. First example shovel. Now whether it is in first class, second class or third class, so shovel is an example of third class, so you can tick here. Okay, then next stapler. Now stapler, whether it is first class example, second class example or third class. Yes, correct. Second class. Why it is second class? Because load is present between the fulcrum and efforts. Okay, you know this. Yes. Next, stapler after toothbrush. Do you know toothbrush? Are you washing your teeth every day? Yes. So toothbrush is an example of third class lever. The next, a pair of scissors. It is first class lever example. Yes, very good. Bottle opener. Yes, second class lever. And these two, nut cracker is an example of second class lever. And tweezers is an example of third class lever. So this way you can complete this activity. One more time you can see the pictures of first class, second class and third class lever. Then you can get easily idea, or you can get easy way to find out the example of first class lever, second class lever or third class lever. Yes students, I hope you understood this activity. You can perform this activity at home. You can first draw the pictures of first class lever, second class lever, third class lever, and then you can classify this object into these three groups. Okay students, so today's homework, you complete this activity at home. We'll see remaining part in our next video.